izinto zakho business lakho kuzohamba kahle yabo and ube nenkani kwinto yaziyo ukuthi right and uyimele into right awubhizi ubuyele emuva uba ivaka no so mina I'm saying lento akayenzile for ukuthi aphathe legacy kababakhe it's a good thing because bafethu i-legacy is very important usinakekela ama-legacy abazali bethu especially emotional legacy make sure you take care for i-legacy abazali bakho because bayenze out of umjuluko landi nemihlatshelo so wena mayifika ezandleni zakho amelanga ifamily iqhubeke phambili nawe ushele ingane zakho because it's a legacy that's what it's a legacy nayibona into le hayi laba ibhubhudla bakhona abantu besilisa aba straight but babhubhudlila amafa abazali babo so from the fact ukuthi yena ulasizwe uchuzile ukuthi abe la for ibusiness lika baba wakhe for ilegacy ka baba wakhe shows ukuthi uyisebenzisa le umqondo awusebenzisa yabo because umqondo awuthi ukuthi kumele usebenze umuntu onjani whatever life ephilayo but if ukwasebenza umqondo yonke into yenza izoba right doesn't mean ukuthi what angeke ube grand no doesn't mean that uyayibona into le and most of the time ke abantu abafana bolosazizwa kanje most of the time into bazenza ziba impumelelo because those people they sacrifice and they know what success is and they work hard for a success uyayibona into le ukudlula abantu aba straight bafethu ziningi into abakwazi ukuza accomplish ebomini because of abakwazi sebenzisa le uyayibona into le so amanye amagama nzama uthini zama ukuthi ulasizwe ilegacy yakokwabo sayiphethe namanje and urana amatekisi and unebusiness amatekisi abanye bazomangala it's because sebenzisa logic it's because he is smart into idingayo le kuphela uyayibona into le whatever ufuna ukuyenza ebomini make sure ukuthi ualigna nayo intathu izokwazi ukusebenza izokwazi ba impumelelo so awudingeki ukuthi ube njani no everyone emhlabeni was destined for a good life for a success but it takes a lot to reach success because mele ususe into ezininzi ufocus and abantu abaningi focus labangayifuni abanye abakhipha esikoleni yayibona into le because esikoleni mele be focus be discipline abanye bayifuna into le bafuna life free and life free la ibhadala bafethu everything ebomini iqala from kuwe and then ikwazi ukuthi imanifesteke yabo if wena uzimisele yonke into yenza izoba impumelelo so amanye amagama nzama ukuthini yonke into iqala kuwe start from you wena bese uyenzeke ulibala ama excuse libala ezinye izinto when if like uyakwazi ukuzenza ukuthi ube kanje ufocus whatever ufuna ukuyenza uzokwazi ukuyifulfill afike is out kancane bafethu ayase